Hey everyone, so I tried using aloe vera on my face for 5 days just to see what would happen. I've seen other YouTubers rave about this and I wanted to try it out for myself and see my results. So every day for 5 days, I applied fresh aloe vera directly to my skin, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I rinsed it off with warm water. So this is what my skin looked like on day 1 before applying any of the aloe vera to my skin. So here's a close-up. You can see I have some pimples and redness. So all you need is a knife and fresh aloe vera, which you can get from a local grocery store. So what you want to do is make sure to be very careful when you're cutting off the leafy part of the aloe vera. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and scoop out or cut out the aloe vera from the leaf and put it into a bowl or a cup. So now using a fork, just go ahead and mix it around. So aloe vera is quite slimy, as you guys can see. It feels kind of gross in your fingers and on your face. So just place your hand into your cup and start rubbing the aloe vera onto your face. So I spent about maybe 2 minutes doing this, really working it into my skin, and then eventually picking up bigger pieces of the aloe vera and working it into my skin. It can get a little bit messy because it just slides all over the place. Now just taking the leafy part of the aloe vera, I'm just applying that all over my face, and this feels really good. So this is me on day 2. I already went ahead and cut my aloe vera, and now I'm just applying it all over my face. So this is my skin on day 2. So now we're on to day 3. Again, I went ahead and cut a fresh piece of aloe vera. So following the same steps as before, applying the actual gel to your face and then using the leafy part to apply more to your face. So now on day 3, this is where I really started to see the changes in my skin. So this is what my skin looks like on day 4, and to be honest, I think I started to break out right around the lip area. So I was a little bit concerned that maybe this wasn't working for me, but honestly by the next day, they were completely gone. I let the aloe vera gel sit on my skin for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I go ahead and rinse it off with warm water. So now this is my skin on day 5. And you can see that my skin has cleared up a lot. The dark marks aren't as dark and I don't have any redness or any pimples. So I just wanted to show you guys what my skin looked like on day 6. So here it is. And here's a comparison of day 1 and day 6. Such a huge difference. I definitely will be adding this into my regimen. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you are so you don't miss out on my next video.